What is cyber warfare? A shadowy world that is still filled with spies, hackers, and top-secret digital weapons project, cyber warfare is an increasingly common and dangerous feature of international conflicts. War is bad for nearly everyone, except those who can profit from it. And where there's money to be made, thieves are never far away. In this video, I'm going to reveal the greatest hacks that have shocked the world. These are the game-changing hacks that have made organizations around the world tremble and leaders stop and consider just how safe they really are. In this video, you're going to discover how cyber criminals easily infiltrate and gain access to the biggest organizations in the world, the greatest hack ever launched against an American bank, why even your cryptocurrency wallets aren't safe from cyber warfare, and finally, how one cyber attack almost started a nuclear war. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn how you can become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. And before I reveal everything, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's really going to help me with the algorithm so that I can grow this channel. Done that? Let's go. Citibank hack. This one makes the list because of how simple and effective it was. In 1995, it was still growing into the ubiquitous force it is today. That meant that there were still many vulnerabilities, even at big banks like Citibank. Vladimir Levin, a Russian programmer, exploited these vulnerabilities to hack into the bank's telephone system. Why the telephone system? Well, from there, he was able to literally listen to customers disclosing their banking details over the phone. Oh, how dangerous the internet is. But over a decade after Levin's arrest, it turned out that the attack was more likely done by a Russian hacking group, and the access was sold to Levin. One of the members of the group claimed that Levin didn't have the technical ability to do it himself. So either he was a genius, or in the right place at the right time. The Great American Business Hack. Once again, a Russian hacking group was responsible for one of the largest hacks in history. This one took place over several years, between 2005 and 2012, over which time the group was able to steal 160 million credit card numbers and almost 1 million bank accounts. Some of these details were used to transfer money directly out of accounts, while others were sold on the dark web for others to do the dirty work. All up, it is estimated that the group were responsible for around 300 million in losses. Mt. Gox hack. Cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges are a big target for hackers. And there was no bigger target than Mt. Gox, a Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange. In 2014, Mt. Gox was processing 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. But that very same year, the exchange would declare bankruptcy. So, how did it all go so wrong? The answer, of course, is hackers. Over the years, cyber criminals had already exploited security flaws to steal from Mt. Gox several times. But it seems that the company didn't learn its lesson. In 2014, Mt. Gox had to suspend withdrawals after the company lost hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins. The estimated value of the loss was 460 million. As early as 2011, hackers had made fraudulent trades and used the information of Mt. Gox's auditors to transfer Bitcoins to their own accounts and change the price of Bitcoin to 1 cent. This allowed 2,000 Bitcoins to be stolen. Then in 2014, the company announced that it had lost 750,000 of its customers' Bitcoins. Since then, creditors and customers have been in court fighting for their money back, while the former CEO was found guilty of falsifying data. That's the risk of not fixing your security flaws. They come back and bite you later. Are you looking to accelerate your career towards a high-paying job in cybersecurity? Before I reveal the most infamous hack that shocked the world, check out Station X. Cybersecurity professionals are in such high demand that companies are offering great salaries to attract new talent and even better salaries to those advancing their skills. Some cybersecurity professionals are now charging $2,500 per day. Yes, high demand means great paychecks. So what does this global shortage mean for you? It means opportunity. If you join the VIP membership at Station X Cybersecurity School, you'll get unlimited access to all the training material you need to become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. Check out the link in the description below to sign up for a big discount. Now, back to the video. Stuxnet. What's the scariest thing about modern warfare? The possibility of nuclear war. These are some of the country's closest guarded secrets, and when an enemy is developing a nuclear weapon, it can pose a serious threat to global security. That's why when a fifth of Iran's centrifuges were destroyed in 2009, it was big news. It put a massive dent in their atomic development, and it was all caused by a cyber attack. The cyber weapon went by the name of Stuxnet, and it's widely agreed that the US and Israel had been collaborating to create it as early as 2005. It targeted programmable logic controllers, which are used in the process of separating nuclear material. On any other device, Stuxnet would lay dormant. But when it found its way into Natanz nuclear facilities in Iran, it caused the physical destruction of 1,000 centrifuges. Do you think companies are doing enough to fight cybercrime? Are you worried about a cyber attack starting a nuclear war? Do you want to see more videos like this? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more cybersecurity content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.